Good morning, class 10. This is computer class. Today, I am giving you the video. I am sending you the video related to your chapter, methods. Such type of question will come in your board exam. One question is fixed in the board exam related to the methods. Today, which question which I am sending you, which program I am sending you, uh, it is without constructor because constructor is left to teach. After this is without constructor. In your board exam, this same type of question can come with the constructor also. Okay, one function will be the constructor, or it can be without constructor also. So this is the question where we have to create a class with the given variables, means member data, and given member methods. This question is in your book on page number 202, program number 4. So before watching this video, first of all, you will open your book, page number 202, so you can see the question number 4. Briefly, I am explaining you what is given in this question. In this question, you have to write a program where you have to design a class called library. In place of the class library, I created here one class with name question 4 page 202 so that easily you can find out. Okay. And in this program, what will be the data members? These data members are, first data member is accession number. It is of integer type. Second is title. It will be of string type. It will store the title of the book. Third one is author. It is also of string type. It will store the name of the author. And last data member is late. It will store the number of days late you will return the book. So it will store the number of days. That's why it is also integer type. Now there are 4 member methods also which you have to use in your program. First one is input. Its return type is void. In this function, what we have to do, we have to input and store the accession number, title, author, and late. How many days late? Okay, means all the inputs we have to give in this function input. Next function is find. It is used to calculate the late fine. Okay, in this function find, we will find out, we will calculate the late fine. How many late fine will be charged at the rate of ₹2 per day. Okay, and also we have to, in this same function, we have to print the late charge also. How much late charge will be. Next is void display. In this function, we have to display the details, means we have to display here output statements. And last is method main, in which we have to create an object of the class and we have to invoke, or you can say we have to call them all the member methods. In means in main we have to call input, we have to call find method, and we have to call also display method. This is your question, means we have to create a program, we have to write a program to design a class for the library with the given data members and data member methods. Okay, so just remember that if data members and member methods are mentioned in the question, then same data members and same member methods you have to use in your program. You cannot use any other variable name or any other method name. Okay, if it is given in the question. In this question also it is given in the question, so we will not change the variable name or member method's name. Okay, so first of all we will start by importing the package util. So we will import here java.util.asterisk. Now my class name is, in your book it is given class name is library, but I prepared here, I created here the class with the question number and page number. So it is the same class name. Then I will declare the variables which are given in the question, which are the variables accession number and late find. These two are of integer type. Next two variables, title and author, it is of string type. So all the data members I declared. Now my first member method, that is input, in which we will give the input of all the details, means accession number, title and late. So first of all, uh, we will create here the object of a scanner class. You know that we are using here a scanner class for the input. Scanner sc, we will create the object sc equal to new scanner system.in. Then first of all, for the input of accession number, so we will give the user, we will give the message to user, enter accession number. Then in which variable we will store the accession number, acc underscore num, with the help of object sc. Sc dot next int, because accession number is integer type variable. Next we will give the message to user, enter book title, and it will store in the variable title. It is of string type, so we will use sc dot next line function. Okay, next is message for enter book author, system.out.print enter book author, and here author name will store in the variable author, and it is also of string type, so we will write here author equal to sc dot next int. Okay, then system.out.print, what we have to give the message to user, enter days late, how many days late if he will submit, then it will be late equal to, it will store in the variable late, and late is of integer type variable, so we will write here late equal to sc dot next int. Means all the integer type variable will store sc dot next int, and for all the string type variable we will use sc dot next line. So my input function is over. Now my next function is void fine, in which we will calculate how much fine, and also we have to print this late charge. So first of all we will calculate, and what is the late charge? Late charge is 2 rupees per day. So late fine is equals to late. Late means number of days multiplied by 2. Okay, per day 2 rupees fine. So here we will declare one variable, local variable late fine, because we have to calculate the late fine. It is of integer type, and we will multiply late means number of days late into 2. 2 rupees per day. Okay. Then we will print it also. So we will use the function system.out.println late fine payable is rupees late fine, because it is stored in the variable late fine, in which we have calculated the late charge. So find function is also complete. Now my next function is display, in which we have to give the outputs. System.out.println, first of all we will print what? Accession number, then title, then author, and then late. Okay, how many days late. Now in the main function we have to call also all these function, input, find and display. So first of all we will create here the object of the class. My class name is question 4 page 202. Then object name is ob, this is the class object. Okay, equal to new question 4 page 202. You all know that how we are creating the object of the class. This is the same way, class name, object name equal to new class name. Okay. Then with the help of this created object, we will call all the function. First of all, we will call input function, so ob.input. Then we will call display input, then display ob.display, and then finally we will call ob.find. Okay, so in this way we will call all the function in the main method. So it was the program how we can input the values in all the member data, and then how we can display those all details, and how we can calculate the fine, and finally how we can call in the main method. So now I will compile this program. No syntax error. So I will now run this program. This is my program. Question 4, page 202. I will create the object. Okay, now I am creating the object. This is my object. So through which function we will call these all separately. You can call these all functions. And in main, I called all the functions. So I will click here on main. I will execute the main. Through main, I can execute all the function. So first of all, it will ask the accession number. I am writing here the accession number 011. Enter book author. Suppose that ABC. Days late. How many days late? 3 days late. So this is the detail. Accession number 11. 011 I was given. So it is 11. Book title. Oh, sorry. Book title I left. So it is not given. Author name ABC, and late is 3 rupees. So late payable fine is 3 into 2, 6. Okay. So in this way, you can also do this program. Now, in my next video, I will explain you the next program. Okay. So today, now I stop here only. I will send you few more videos today only. In that video, you will see the next program. You will do this program in your book, sorry, in your fair notebook. I think you all understood it. So you will do it in your fair notebook.